Okay, hello. Good evening, Sis Virus and Sis Nadifa.
Good evening, Susanna.
Good evening, Sisana.
Yes, how are you today, Sis Virus, Sis Nadifa?
I'm great.
Great. Okay, that's good. Are you guys going to school today? Kalian ke sekolah kah hari ini?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Do you guys join like, kenapa Sis Nadifa?
Iya, sis.
Iya.
Pergi sekolah.
Lagi sekolah, I see, I see. Sis Virus and Sis Nadifa, do you guys join like club or school at school? Sis Virus ikut nggak sis? Club or school or something?
Yes, I have ini paskib.
Oh, Mas Kibra.
Yes.
Oh, wow. So, on 17 August, do you join for the ceremony?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So many people, like when I was senior high school, who is joining Paskibra, they like join competition for 17 August ceremony on province or even in national. Do you join
Yeah.
that? Sis Virus ikut
Yeah.
itu juga kayak kompetisi atau seleksi atau apa gitu ya sis ya? Ada ya?
For now belum ada sih, sis.
Maksudnya kemarin yang pas 17 Agustus itu.
Oh, yang 17.
Hmm.
Mau 17 semuanya ikut. All of them.
Semuanya.
Mm-mm.
Di apa? Di provinsi kah? Di kota?
Di ini aja di sekolah.
Oh, di sekolah. I see, I see. Okay, okay. Have you ever joined Paskibra competition?
Belum.
Oh, belum. Karena masih kelas 10 ya, sis ya?
Sebenarnya actually kelas 10 bisa, but
Hmm?
I'm still new at Paskibra. Aku baru joinnya pas SMA. Jadi belum ada pengalaman gitu. Yang dipilihnya yang sudah ada pengalaman dari junior
Junior.
high school.
I see, I see. But do you have a dream, like maybe someday you want to join that competition?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, of course. Okay, hopefully someday you got that opportunity ya, bro, sis Virus.
Yes, thank you, Susanna.
Oke, what about sis Nadifa? Kalau sis Nadifa gimana? Do you join club or a school in your senior high school, sis Nadifa? Kalau sis Virus tadi ikutnya Paskibra. Kalau sis Nadifa, what about you?
Uh, oh, hmm, uh, aku join taekwondo club.
Taekwondo club.
Ya,
Oh, wow. How many day in a week do you practice taekwondo?
satu kali pertemuan.
Okay, once a week.
Ya, once.
I see, I see. How long have you been joining taekwondo?
Dari when I was in junior high school in class 8 kalau nggak salah.
In 8th grade,
Ya.
kelas 8 ya, junior high school. Okay. So it's been 3 years. Berarti udah 3 tahun ya sih? 2 tahun ya? 2 years.
Iya, benar sih.
That's good. Have you ever joined taekwondo competition?
Yes, I have.
Oh, how often?
How when I'm when I'm in the class 9.
Oh, when you was
Belum
9.
ya belum lama sebenarnya.
Oh yeah, benar. I see. So, did you won that competition at that
Oh
time?
ya, yep.
Mm-hmm. Did you win that competition waktu itu?
Uh, oh,
Apakah? Mm-hmm.
just uh, apa itu ya?
Apa tuh?
Yang kedua gitu. Apa sih?
Oke. Runner up.
Ya, runner up.
Okay. That's good actually. You become the runner up. Okay. And we have Sis Uli. Hello Sis Uli yang baru datang. How are you?
Halo, Sus Ana. I'm
Mhm.
I'm fine.
Okay, Sis Uli we talk about eskul tadi. Kalau Sis Uli gimana? When you were senior high school or junior high school, do you join kind of club or eskul, Sis Uli?
When I'm senior high school,
Mhm.
kayaknya aku nggak ada ya. I'm not joined to anything. Expo.
Oh, okay. So probably you are typical of student that very academic ya. Tipe yang sangat akademis
Yeah.
sekali kayaknya. Okay. But have you ever joined any kind of competition when you were student?
No,
No.
I'm not. I didn't have experience to
Mhm.
have a competition.
I see. Why is that? Because you don't want to, karena emang nggak interest aja atau gimana?
Yeah, I think I didn't interest.
I see. Okay. So, welcome back again. Thank you so much, by the way, Sis Uli.
Yeah.
Actually, today, Francis, our topic, we would like to talk about this one. Hari ini topiknya itu about Halloween. Maybe you have ever heard about this, yeah, something that people talk that Halloween is related to a ghost or a trick or something like that. Mungkin sesuatu yang dikaitkan sama hantu, sama sulap, jebakan, dan lain sebagainya. We call it Halloween. Maybe some of you also celebrate it, even though in Indonesia it's not that popular that we would like to talk it because this is part of English country's culture karena ini juga masih jadi bagian dari culture-nya atau budayanya negara-negara berbahasa Inggris. Gitu. Talking about Halloween and ghost. Do you believe that ghost is exist? Teman-teman percaya nggak sih kalau misal hantu tuh ada? What do you think, Sis Virus? Do you believe that ghost is exist?
I don't really percaya trust. I don't really trust about believe. I
Yeah.
don't really believe about ghosts, but if someone just scared me like itu loh di situ kayak nakut-nakutin gitu, I would be scared.
Okay, but actually you do not that scared.
Mm-mm.
But if that is something that triggered you, will be scared.
Yeah.
Okay. But have you ever had an experience related to something like ghost or supernatural things?
Nothing, belum ada.
Belum ada. What about like the apa ya? The most scary story you have ever heard from someone, from anyone?
The most apa ya? Kalau misalnya about like ini,
Betul.
kayak apa sih namanya itu? Disantet, dipelet gitu termasuk nggak sih?
Ya, itu juga termasuk something
Eh,
supernatural.
my friend told me a story that their family itu, aduh lupa ingat sis.
Gimana tuh?
Kayak their family dia tuh jadi bentar, actually their family itu kaya raya, but ada satu orang gitu dia ngepelet si orang kayak itu jadinya dia like nguras semua uangnya gitu, jadi kayak nggak kebagian for keturunannya gitu,
Oh.
ke keturunan teman saya.
I see. So it's story about her own family, kayak keluarganya dia sendiri.
Ya,
I see. That's interesting. So do you believe about that story?
karena teman saya yang cerita ya, jadi lumayan.
Lumayan. I see. But it's interesting, yes, yeah, when we talk about that. Something that actually we don't want to believe in that, but sometimes it sounds real. It sounds something that we have to believe in that kind of thing.
Ya,
That's interesting. Tapi kalau sis virus in your surrounding, in your environment, kalau di kayak sekitarnya sis virus tipe yang believe in that atau udah modern?
gue banget ya. Enggak sih, kayaknya maybe just like ini pamali something like that.
I see. Berarti udah nggak terlalu famous ya yang kayak gitu-gitu. But still exist, tapi masih ada aja. Okay, that's interesting story, sis virus. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What about from sis Nadifa? Do you believe that ghost is exist, sis Nadifa? Kalau sis Nadifa percaya nggak kalau hantu tuh ada?
I don't believe it.
You don't believe it. Why?
Yeah. For me, it's thing of weird.
It's weird, yeah?
Yeah.
What about people around you? Do they have experience about ghosts, about supernatural things?
Yeah. In near my home, my neighbor always tell about this ghost, like kuntilanak gitu. Yeah. And then my mama have arisan gitu ya sih. Jadi ibu-ibu suka ngegosip gitu.
I see. What did they say? Mereka bilangnya apa kuntilanaknya? Ada di mana atau ngapain gitu?
Jadi kuntilanak gitu. Kuntilanak itu kayak disturb apa ya, orang-orang lingkungan situ gitu sih, kayak tiba-tiba nampakin diri gitu.
Yeah. Have you ever met with her?
No, I just heard.
Okay. What will you do if you met with her? Kalau ketemu mau apa tuh sis?
I just run.
Yes, right. Okay, that's interesting story. There is probably sometimes there are a lot of story about that, probably kuntilanak, Wewe Gombel, and that kind of thing. But when we never experience that on our own, it's hard to believe that the story is real, right? It's kind of weird, kayak aneh aja gitu kedengarannya. Okay, interesting story from Sis Nadifa. Thank you so much. What about you, Sis Uli? Do you belief that ghost is exist?
I don't know. But about the talk about the ghost or
Mm-hmm.
magic, I don't like it. But I think that maybe it's prison. Maksudnya dia ada di bumi ini.
Mm-hmm.
Just if we hear about uh magic or
Yeah.
maybe someone like dukun-dukun itu and
Mm-hmm.
make someone sick or
Mm-hmm.
make someone meninggal, dead.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I saya sering ya, apa sering tuh ya?
Often.
I often hear about that stories.
Okay. What is the most weird or scary story you've ever heard from someone around you? Yang kayak paling aneh atau mungkin paling menakutkan gitu, Sis Uli.
Yeah, when I go to the maybe like I go to the community and I hear about someone have a sick or maybe died, and
Mhm.
we talk with the um, people, and people say that he is gone or he is dead because
Mhm.
someone kill him about the magic
Mhm.
magic
Mhm.
like that.
I see. Do you believe that the people that because of which?
Yes, I think I believe that like that. Maksudnya
Mhm.
saya percaya bahwa ada hal yang seperti itu terjadi.
Mhm. Okay. Is it something that triggered you to be scary? Apakah itu
Yeah,
bikin Sis Uli takut?
yes, that's right. We have to pray and to God, please protect
Mhm.
me because many ghosts or many magic or many something dark.
Black magic and something that it's unseen ya, nggak kelihatan ya, Sis ya. Okay, okay. All right. Thank you so much for sharing your story, Sis Uli.
Yeah.
Let's read for this one. Sis Uli, Sis Nadifa, and Sis Virus. We have some paragraph talk about Halloween. Probably you can read it before we discuss in the breakout room later. And for the first paragraph, untuk paragraph pertama, I want to ask Sis Virus dulu. Let's go, Sis Virus. Please, let's read the first paragraph.
Alright. The origins of Halloween. If you think of Halloween, you probably think of scary carved pumpkins, all kind of fancy dress, and children asking for sweets. And if you think of a country that celebrates Halloween, you probably think about the United States first. Americans and Canadians have adopted Halloween in a big way, but Halloween traditions actually come from 16th century Ireland, Scotland, and England. The tradition of Halloween on 31 October comes from the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. Samhain was the Celtic New Year, and they celebrated on 1st November because that was the end of summer and harvest time, life, and the beginning of winter death. It was also the time for ghosts to return to Earth for a day. People lit a big fire, wore special clothes made of animal skin, and hoped to be safe from the ghosts and the winter. In wait, how to read that? In at 600
AD,
in AD,
yeah.
AD 609, the Catholic Church put the Christian celebration of All Saints' Day on 1st November. In AD 1000, the church added All Souls Day on 2nd November, and All Hallows Eve or Halloween moved to the night of the salah ya tadi saya baca ya 31st.
Oke, alright. Thank you, Sis Virus. Tadi Sis Virus itu sudah benar baca yang ini 2nd November, yang ini juga 1st November. Tapi yang ini tadi masih bacanya 31 ya. It's supposed to be 31st of October. Jadi kalau penanggalan walaupun nggak ada ST-nya, tapi kita tetap menganggap bahwa ini bilangan ordinal yang first, second, third kayak gitu. Tapi yang tadi ini dan ini Sis Virus sudah betul. And this one, AD. AD itu adalah singkatan dari ini, guys. Anno Dominic, kalau nggak salah ya. Yang artinya itu kalau di bahasa Indonesianya Masehi. So, 609 AD, 609 itu 609 Masehi. Ini juga sama, 1000 Masehi. Okay, let's move to the second paragraph. Kita ke second paragraph. For Sis Nadifa, please, about pumpkins. Let's go, Sis Nadifa.
Pumpkins. The self-care face into vegetables like turnips, potatoes, and squash. A pumpkin is a kind of spice. Scare the ghosts and other spirits and make them go away. It was sometimes called a jack-o'-lantern because of an Irish story about a man, Jack. He played a trick on the devil and then had to walk the earth for all time as a punishment. Irish people who came to life in the United States in the 1800s found pumpkins much easier to carve, and the tradition became the one we today.
Okay, thank you, Sis Nadifa. Alright, ini ada check all lantern. Check all lantern, kalau misal teman-teman pernah lihat tuh yang ada labu terus dibolongin matanya, kemudian ada mulutnya. Nah, itu namanya Jack O' Lantern yang suka ada di gambar-gambar Halloween, perayaan-perayaan Halloween. Mereka menyebutnya Jack O' Lantern. Itu. And then about the fancy dress. Let's read, Sis Uli.
Fancy dress. The Celts were afraid of the ghosts that came on Samhain. If they went outside after dark, they covered their face with masks. They hoped any ghosts they met would think they were ghosts too and would leave them alone. In early America, the Native Americans and the first Europeans celebrate in the end of the harvest, but not Halloween. When Irish people arrived, the harvest festival started to look more like Halloween, and it became popular across the country. In the late 19th century, ya lupa ya.
19th, benar?
People tried to make Halloween less about ghosts and religion and more about celebrating the season with a party for neighbors and family. That's why Americans today wear all kind of Halloween costumes and not just scary things like witch and ghosts like in other countries.
Okay, thank you, Sis Uli.
Ya, sama-sama Sis Ana.
Alright, ya, so ini pergeseran dressnya ya. Kalau dulu mereka itu pakai dress-dress hantu karena mereka takut ditotongin hantu. Mereka menganggap kalau dengan memakai dress hantu, hantu itu akan pikir, oh ini temen gue gitu. Jadi nggak ditakut-takutin. Kalau dulu seperti itu. But since the late 19, tapi setelah late 19 itu ada pergeseran tuh. Jadi less about clothes and religion. Jadi nggak terlalu tentang hantu dan juga religion, tapi lebih ke celebrating, merayakan aja gitu, party sama neighbor, sama tetangga, sama family kayak gitu. Itu pergeseran Halloween yang dulu sama Halloween yang sekarang. Masih ada kayaknya paragrafnya about trick or treat. Balik lagi ke sis Virus. Let's go.
Okay, trick or treat. This is another tradition that began in Europe, this time in England, when the Church introduced All Souls Day, which people gave poor people soul cakes, a small cake made with spices and raisins. It replaced the Celtic tradition of leaving food outside houses for the ghost. Going as souling was popular in England for hundreds of years until about the 1930s. The Americans kept the tradition, but today children knock on people's door and ask for sweets. Going trick or treating is so popular that a quarter of the sweets for the year in the United States are sold for this one day.
Oke, alright. Thank you, sis Virus.
You're
Oke,
welcome.
nah ini juga ada pergeseran ya dari yang tadinya orang-orang tuh naruh makanan di luar untuk ghost, kalau yang saat ini lebih ke dikasih ke poor people, and then anak-anak pada ngetok-ngetok pintu tetangga gitu, ask for sweets, biasanya minta pak manisan atau permen gitu. Alright, so masih ada nggak ya? Oh masih ada ternyata. One more, satu lagi. Sis Nadifa boleh.
The rest of the world is
Yes.
Halloween has become the United States' second biggest commercial festival after Christmas. Halloween is also celebrated in other countries, but it's not as big as in the United States, even in the countries where the traditions began. Mexico celebrates the Day of the Dead from 31st October,
31st.
yeah,
Okay.
31st October to November, and some of its
2nd November.
yeah, I forgot. The 2nd November, and some of its traditions, like keeping gifts of sugar skulls, are starting to mix with Halloween in this way. In this way, the celebration of Halloween continues to change as new traditions join the oldest of the Celtic ones.
Oke, thank you Sis Nadifa. Hampir
Yeah.
kepleset tadi ya, langsung self correction. Alright, nah ini ternyata di American mereka itu justru merayakan Halloween lebih meriah gitu daripada Halloween di negara asalnya sendiri di Meksiko. Bahkan jadi second biggest commercial festival. Festival komersial yang kedua yang paling besar setelah Christmas itu in America. And after this, as usual, this virus is not defines Uli. I will give you a chance to talk to each other in a breakout room to talk about Halloween and ghosts and yeah, about that thing. And I want to open the breakout room right now. You may go to the breakout room, guys. Okay. Welcome back again to the main room, Sis Virus, Sis Uli, and Sis Nadifa. Are you guys talking about ghosts in the breakout room? Jadinya ngomongin ghost kah?
Yeah,
Iya,
ghost.
di sana.
Jadi gosip about ghosts ya. Okay, I hope you guys having fun in the breakout room. I also heard some of your conversation actually. And thank you so much, Sis Uli, Sis Virus, and Sis Nadifa for coming today. Don't forget, tomorrow we still have a class. See you tomorrow, everyone.
Di
Bye-bye.
sana.
Good
Sana.
You're welcome.